Hello mere mortals, it is I, zyapimstudios here with another Generations Devlog. It's been a small while, a tiny while, but we're back on track, baby! Sorry guys, I honestly, I had to deal with exams, it has been a tough time. So yeah, this episode is about multiplayer. You can now play Generations with friends. Let me tell you how I made it. Come with me, mere mortal. Come to the unholy palace that we developers call the world of networking. View the impious solutions that these ephemeral developers once attempted and failed viciously. Come with me as I show you the ultimate multiplayer solution. Photon Unity Networking. There's amazing documentation, zero lag, it's completely free, it has servers everywhere, it's even oh wait, the free version only supports up to 20 players? Let's just look at our other options. So, what we can do is we can write our own system, we can downgrade our Unity version and use UNet, but that would corrupt a lot of things, so that's not even an option. We can use Mirror, or we can just be sad with 20 little measly players. Let's look at writing our own system. So I found this amazing tutorial by this guy Tom Wayland, and I'm gonna watch his tutorials. This should be easy.
2,000 years later.
This is not easy. So I decided to use Mirror. I have never used Mirror, but people say it's almost exactly the same as UNet. How hard can it be? Basically, I had 4 tasks. 1. Set up Mirror and learn how it works. 2. Make players sync. 3. 4. Profit. It's that easy. Let's get going. Alright, let's talk about how multiplayer basically works. Basically, there's a server or host. Every user action is sent to this server. The server sent this data to other players. So when you walk in your game, the other players see you walk. This is in its simplest form what multiplayer is. But when it comes to chopping trees, planting saplings, etc., it gets way worse. I'm not gonna talk about how exactly I coded this system because, well, you know what? Here's me talking about the problems I had to face.
Chopping down trees didn't work because the mirror network didn't allow for game objects to be passed through the network, so I had to rename all the trees to different things, but that didn't work with the face system because for some reason it also saved the names, and when it tried to change the names in the client it didn't work because, well, Photon mirror is kind of stupid. I don't like mirror and I wish I had used Photon and paid like $1 million to keep the servers running, but oh my god. And then there was problems with the server not working because port forwarding stuff, I got Hamachi working somehow when modifying some of the code. I hope I don't get into trouble for that. I really just removed the logging system because that was really annoying when it gave an error. It wasn't clearly there, it just sent it to the logging thing and it was annoying and it was bad.
Yeah, it's a lot. So, here's the system basically. Hello guys, it's Live Zap Guy to show you how this works. I'm gonna host the server as the host. Hello, I am host. I can either host as client or host as server. Host as server makes you not a player, and host as client makes you an actual player in the game. Let's do that. As you can see, I'm in the game. Now let's connect with the client. I press multiplayer. Let's write a name. Hello, I am client. Now it's my localhost, so I'm gonna connect to the localhost IP address. You will connect to any IP address you want. Here's the host. Now I'm gonna show disconnecting and stuff. What happens when I disconnect as the client? As you can see, in the host's game, the player disappeared. But what happens if I disconnect as the host? Of course, I have fixed those things. So when you disconnect as host, what happens basically is everybody gets disconnected. Hooray! A full multiplayer gameplay will be coming soon. Well, thank you, Live Zap Guy. Now it's time to say goodbye, unfortunately. I hope you enjoyed this devlog with a slightly weirder theme. Leave a comment below about what you think. Like if you liked the video, and subscribe if you really liked it. Zyap Guy out!